students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya Ziyanpur, Azamgarh. Today, let us learn infinitive. What is infinitive? Let us understand. Infinitive, non-finite verb it is. Infinitive. First, come to this sentence. Mary likes books. You see here, Mary likes book. Mary किताबें चाहती है, पसंद करती है. Okay, Mary likes to play. Mary subject here and likes. This is your verb. Books noun. To play here working as noun. This is infinitive. खेलना, मेरी खेलना पसंद करती है. खेलना. In place of books, now to play has been used. ना और के लिए. ना और के लिए. This is your means infinitive. Okay. Theft is a sin. चोरी एक अपराध है. चोरी to drink is a sin. पीना एक अपराध है. You see here, it is noun. To drink, infinitive treated as, functioning as noun. To drink, पीना एक अपराध है. You see here, now, here now object to play as an object. To drink here as a subject, but noun. Look at this sentence. He eats slowly. वह धीरे धीरे खाता है. Subject, वह धीरे धीरे खाता है. धीरे धीरे खाता है. धीरे, slowly means धीरे धीरे. Eats खाता है. कैसे? धीरे धीरे. तो this slowly modifies eats. This verb. Add verb. Slowly add verb. Okay, he eats to live. In place of slowly, to live. He eats to live. He eats to live. वह खाता है. To live, जीने के लिए. In place of slowly, to live, infinitive, used, functioning as an adverb. Okay. I have water to drink. To drink. पीने के लिए I have water to drink. पीने के लिए मेरे पास पानी है. I have bread to eat. खाने के लिए रोटी है. I have bread to eat. खाने के लिए. Qualifying bread. पीने के लिए क्या? Water. Noun. So this infinitive qualifying noun, water. This infinitive to eat qualifying bread, right? In this way, now to eat or to drink, now functioning as an adjective. Infinitive, that is of two kinds, simple infinitive and gerundial infinitive. Simple infinitive in Hindi में क्रिया के अंत में ना आता है. एग्जाम्पल हियर, टू टेल लाइज इज अ सिन. बोलना, झूठ बोलना इज अ सिन, एक अपराध है. हियर बोलना. टू टीच अदर्स इज वेरी इजी. टू टीच, पढ़ाना, सिखाना, बताना. अदर्स इज इजी. तो दूसरे को सिखाना, बताना बड़ा सरल है. पढ़ाना, नाउ. टू टेल, कहना, simple infinitive. Gerundial, the children want to play. Children want to play. Want, बच्चे चाहते हैं. To play, खेलना. तो you see here, खेलना. Infinitive to infinitive, खेलना. Okay, simple infinitive. Gerundial infinitive in हिंदी में के लिए ऐसे अर्थ आता है. वह अक्सर एडजेक्टिव की तरह प्रयोग होगा, एडवर्ब की तरह प्रयोग हो रहा है, होगा. देखिए, आई हैव नो टाइम टू वेस्ट. मेरे पास कोई समय नहीं है. टू वेस्ट बर्बाद कर, सॉरी, आई हैव नो टाइम टू प्ले, खेलने के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, खेलने के लिए एडजेक्टिव, जस्ट बिफोर एडजेक्टिव टाइम, नाउन, it qualifies, to play qualifies time, it is an adjective. We eat to live, हम खाते हैं, to live, रहने के लिए, जीवित रहने के लिए हम खाते हैं, ओके, हम खाते हैं, to live, जीने के लिए, ओके, we eat to live. Now it is an adverb modifying verb eat, adverb modifying eat. So these are gerundial infinitive functions. How does it function? How to use infinitive very correctly? Now let us understand some other examples. Here have been written on the blackboard. We eat to live. The same example here. We eat to live. To live, infinitive. Just before verb, just after verb has been used, modifying it. Adverb modifying it. Okay. हम खाते हैं जीने के लिए. I am happy to meet you. मैं तुमसे मिलने के लिए बहुत खुश हूँ. To meet. Okay. Just before to meet, infinitive, happy, adjective. So to meet as an adverb, modifying happy. The beggar needs water to drink, पीना. beggar को पानी की आवश्यकता है पीने के लिए. Okay. Just before to drink, water. Now in this way, to drink, adjective qualifying water. 2 plus 2 infinitive. Negative sense, it gives you negative meaning. He is to fight, to walk. ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रयोग सीखिए. He is to fight. वह बहुत मोटा है कि चहल नहीं सकता है. To fight, बहुत मोटा. No negative sense है. Negative meaning, it does convey negative meaning. He is to fight, to walk. वह बहुत मोटा है, चल फिर नहीं सकता है. वह इतना मोटा है कि चल फिर नहीं सकता है. Okay, next, tell me how to say. मुझसे बताइए कि कैसे तैरना है. To infinitive. Tell me what to do. मुझे क्या करना है. To do, infinitive. Tell me where to go. मुझे कहाँ जाने का है. So these are the infinitives, right? To send, to do, to go, etc. It is good. It is का प्रयोग. It is dummy subject. This is your dummy subject. It is good. बढ़िया है for you, आपके लिए, to help the needy. जरूरतमंद लोगों की सहायता करना आपके लिए बढ़िया है. तो to help, you see, infinitive. Okay, how does infinitive function? Okay, a role of infinitive, place of infinitive. Okay, how does it function? Or function of an infinitive. To drink, pina, is a sin. To drink here, subject, functioning as noun. Subject, to drink, subject, functioning as a noun. पीना एक अपराध है. Subject, okay, treated has been, to drink has been treated as subject, and that is noun, functioning as noun. I want to sleep. मैं चाहता हूँ. To sleep, सोना. I subject, want, verb, and to sleep, object. Okay, and it is functioning as noun. To sleep as noun. I want to be, and is. I want, मैं चाहता हूँ. I want, मैं चाहता हूँ. क्या? In complete sense, to be, complement. And is, मैं एक is बनना चाहता हूँ. तो want to verb, principal verb, and to be. This is now complement of principal verb want. To infinitive. To infinitive as complement. She sat down to take rest. To take rest, आराम करने के लिए. She sat down, वो बैठ गई. It is here, sat down, verb, okay, and this is to take object, okay, and this to take, okay, governed by preposition. You know here, see, you see here, down, preposition. So this is now preposition. Cut to jaldi. She sat down to take a rest. Now, sat down to take, this is object, okay, and this is governed by preposition. Down. Down preposition here. Teacher told me to do homework. Teacher told me. Teacher ने मुझसे कहा. क्या कहा? Meaning, sense, incomplete. Okay. To do homework, object. To do homework, object. And this to do complement of verb told. Complement of the told. In this video, now you may use so many infinitives, right? Simple infinitive or gerundial infinitive as per your need and necessity. Please do like, share and subscribe. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks.